Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the quicker way, which requires entering a secret code. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way, which is a little bit longer. However, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.